Greetings from the Springfield College Career Center. Today, we are going to overview Job Connect, which is the Career Center's online career management tool. In Job Connect, all full-time, part-time, non-work study, and seasonal employment opportunities are found in Job Connect, in addition to internship opportunities. Also, Job Connect features online appointment scheduling, Career Center handouts, quick links to the Career Center guide, interview stream, plus much more. In Job Connect, you will also be able to upload your resumes, cover letters, as well as additional credentials, such as an unofficial transcript and reference letters into the system. In the previous video, you learned about how to log into Job Connect, how to create your personal as well as your academic profile sections, and how to schedule an appointment to meet with a career counselor. If you did not review that video already, I suggest that you start there and then progress to watch this video, as we will be showing you further components of the Job Connect system. Let's log in. Because you have already completed your academic and personal profile information, we recommend that you upload your resume into the system. We strongly encourage that you have your resume reviewed at the Career Center prior to uploading your resume. Also, we recommend that you tailor, customize, and update your resume for each and every position that you apply for. The same applies for cover letters as well. Let's now click on the Documents tab. We will now scroll down to the Add New tab and click Add New. To view PDF files, you may need Adobe Acrobat Reader installed on your computer if you do not already have it already. You will label, in other words, name your document under the Labels section, and then you will select a document type. Please note that you can include resumes, cover letters, unofficial transcripts, or a writing sample. Next, you will click on Browse. Then you will choose a file from your computer to upload into Job Connect. Then you will hit the Submit button. You can also save your documents first as a PDF and then upload them into Job Connect. If you upload multiple resumes, you should select one to be your default resume. You can do this by clicking on the default button in the document that you want to select as your primary resume. You can repeat this process for multiple documents. As stated earlier, it is important to keep your resume current. As the Career Center has already uploaded some sample demonstration resumes into Job Connect, I am now going to click back on the Documents tab and scroll down to the list of resumes. You will see right here on the right hand side that this test resume is listed as the default resume. You can always change that and select another resume to make as your default resume by just simply clicking on Make Default in any of the other resumes that you already have in the system. Next, we will learn how to conduct a job or internship search in Job Connect by utilizing the General Jobs tab. You can explore the job postings by clicking on the Jobs tab and selecting the link entitled Springfield College Jobs. Remember to keep checking our job postings. New positions are posted daily. You are able to search for positions by position type, including but not limited to full-time, part-time, summer employment, and internship opportunities. You can conduct a basic job search by keyword, job function, or geographic location. If you select the link entitled Nacelink Network, you will be able to search a nationwide online database of positions. These positions are not affiliated with Springfield College. The My Job Applications link will house the applications for any positions where you apply to the hiring managers via the Job Connect system. Before we begin looking at the jobs located under the Springfield College Jobs link, let's look at the Nacelink Network link first. Here, In the Nacelink network, you will see a list of positions where you can search by keyword, country, state, city, job title, company, and other keyword search. Again, Nacelink network jobs are positions that are not affiliated with Springfield College. Now let's go back to the Jobs tab, where we will click on the Springfield College jobs and explore positions that employers have posted in the Job Connect system. To begin your job search, you can search for positions by utilizing the keyword search box as seen below. You can search for positions utilizing various search criteria, including but not limited to employer name, geographic location, job title, job description, class year, and degree level. You can also switch from the All Position Types tab and search solely by full-time, internship, or part-time, which are located right here where my mouse is pointing. For the purposes of today's video demonstration, I'm going to stay in all position types. Let's put in a keyword search. I'm going to use the word education, and then I will hit search to see what we get for results. Here is a partial listing of positions that are in the education-related field. When you are applying for a position, you will click on either the position title or the application link. This will bring you to a job summary page where you will see information about the position, important dates, and contact information for that employer. Once you click on the apply link or the position link, the position description along with further details will appear. On the right side of the screen, you will follow the how to apply procedures. If a clickable box with the word apply appears, instead of how to apply, you can proceed with applying for the position via Job Connect. Let's now pick a position to apply for. Here you will see under Want This Job the apply link. This means that you can apply directly to this hiring employer from the Job Connect screens. When submitting your resume to a job posting, if you wish to include a cover letter and it is not required by the employer, we suggest creating one document with your cover letter and resume together. Now let's click on the apply link. You will then see this following box pop up: Apply and Application Status. You will now select from your drop-down menu a resume that you want to submit to the employer. Once you apply for the position through the Apply tab, a record of your application will be stored under the Applications tab. You have the ability to create a resume to use to apply directly from within the job posting. The Add New option displays next to the document type, which is located right here. Clicking on it will display a new window where you can label and choose the file. Remember that in neither case will the file be added to the Documents section. Now let's go back to the Jobs tab and we will utilize the Advanced Search tab. While still keeping Education as my main theme in the Basic Search tab, I will now click Advanced Searches. You will see here several other criteria that you can do to help filter your job search even further. By clicking on the More tab that I just clicked on, you will see additional areas and ways that you can search and filter for positions. For example, I will use my theme of education and say that I want positions that are located 100 miles from the college's zip code. Let's say I also want only full-time position listings to show. I will then hit search and see what I get for results. Here is the list of positions that have now come up as a result of my initial as well as my advanced search fields. Now let's look at the Save Search field. By clicking on the Saved Searches field, you will see the following box pop up. Here you can take a title to create for your file, such as education, even though I already have used that before as a previous example, I'll just put education 2. Let's say I want jobs to be sent to me on a daily basis and only give me new search results. Then I will hit save. By doing this, you have the ability to take and run a search agent. And by setting the criteria, you will be able to have new position notifications automatically emailed to you that match your customized criteria. You also have the option to modify both your specific criteria and how frequently you want a search agent to run. If you wanted to delete some of your previous search agents so you weren't getting position listings or you had different endeavors that you wanted to pursue, all you need to do is either hit delete or edit your criteria. You could edit it so that it would run on, let's say, a monthly or a daily basis. Now that you've learned about the jobs, the advanced search, and the saved search features, let's look at the remaining tabs. We will be talking about My Favorites, Applications, and Job Leads. Regarding My Favorites, whether you are reviewing available positions or reviewing employers within Job Connect, you have the ability to flag positions and/or employers in order to house them in your Favorites tab. In order to flag the said position located in the Jobs tab or flag the employer located in the Employers tab, hover your mouse over the green and white plus sign that contains the clear star symbol beneath. This icon is located to the left side of the job listing or the employer. Then simply click on the icon. The job that you flagged as a favorite will migrate to your My Favorites tab in the Job Postings section. Employers that are flagged as favorites will migrate to the Favorite Employers tab within the Employers tab section. The convenience of having My Favorites for jobs or Favorite Employers for companies allows you the ability to move your flagged jobs and flagged employers to a condensed list, which you can then access at a later time in order to apply for those positions and/or research the companies in greater detail. I am now going to show you how to flag some position titles. Simply take this green and white plus sign and click on it. Let's click on another one, and another, and another. Let's now click the My Favorites tab. You will see here some of the positions that we clicked to put in our favorites have now migrated and are located here in your My Favorites link. If you no longer want the position sitting in your My Favorites section, simply click on the yellow star, use the red and white X key, and take the position listing down. Let's explore the Applications field. Within the Applications tab, once you've applied for positions, here you will find a summary of jobs that you've applied for through the Job Connect system. Now let's click on Job Leads. A tab in the Jobs section entitled Job Leads is where you can search expired or archived positions. You cannot apply for these archived positions electronically. However, original contact information will display. You are able to search archived positions by keywords, job functions, position type, and industry classifications. Here is just a sample listing of a few jobs that have recently gone archived because of the expiration date. Next, I will be performing a search by employers. On the top of your screen, click on the Employers tab. Then we can click Employer Directory. You will now see a list of some sample agencies that are in our database. I'm going to click on a few of the white and green stars and make them appear in my Favorite Employers section. Now I can look at Favorite Employers and see the yellow stars for all of the positions that I have flagged and migrated over to my Favorite Employers section. You also can look at company contacts that are in the database, and you can also use your checkboxes to save them into your favorite contacts as well. Our next topic of discussion will be utilizing the resources in Job Connect. In Job Connect, many helpful documents and resources await you. There are two ways that you can access these resources and documents. One way to access these resources and documents is through the Resources tab. Once you have selected the Resources tab, 3 drop-down menu choices will appear: Career Explorer, Career Finder, and Documents Library. Momentarily, I will be discussing Career Explorer, Career Finder, and the Document Library in greater detail. However, there is a second way to access these resources. From your Home tab, look on the right-hand side of the page under Shortcuts and click on the link that says Document Library. Here, you will be brought to those 3 same tabs as well: Career Explorer, Career Finder, and Document Library. Now, let's start off by overviewing the Career Explorer. The source of Career Explorer information is the United States Department of Labor's O-Net Online, which is www.onetonline.org. Here, you can search popular careers, leading industries, you can perform a keyword search, look at industry type, and search for positions depending upon projected estimated growth, as well as the level of education preparation needed to perform those said jobs. Just for a sample, I'm going to click on Industrial Organizational Psychologists. I will slowly scroll down so that you can see the job outlook, which they claim is bright for this field, the projected growth, which they claim for this position, an overall description or things that you would do on the job as an industrial and organizational psychologist, the knowledge, skills, abilities, education, technology, and other information that the United States Department of Labor mentions in order to become an industrial and organizational psychologist. Let's now go explore Career Finder. Career Finder is a helpful tool that can assist you with finding out what your interests are and how they relate to the world of work. Here, you will start off with answering a short set of questions related to work activities that some people do in their careers. Read each question carefully and decide how you would feel about doing each type of work. Next, you will need to respond quickly and instinctively. Try not to think about if you have enough education or training to do the said position, or how much money you would make doing the work. Just think about if you would like or dislike doing the work. Remember, there is no wrong answer. There is no need to rush either. You are learning about your interests so that you can explore work you might like to do and find rewarding. Now let's take a look at the document library. In the document library, you will find information including but not limited to handouts on cover letters, resumes, and the job search, in addition to the career guide, the NACE salary calculator, plus additional documents which are found in the document library. Career Center staff have created these documents in order to help you with your career development and professional readiness. We strongly encourage you to spend some time and review these documents. Remember to check the document library frequently to check for updated material as well as newly added documents. I'm just going to take a brief moment and click on a few of the links to show you some of the material that we have provided for you in the document library. Here you will see a helpful handout regarding graduate school and the application process. I'm not going to scroll down through every single page of these samples that I'm showing you. I just want to get you started and acclimated with some of the detailed documents and information that we're providing for you. The Job Connect handout, which corresponds to this video, can also be clicked on and downloaded right from this Job Connect handout guide located within the document library field. We also have created other features such as job shadowing handout, interviewing handout, handouts and documents for certain majors, as well as our Career Center guide, where you will be able to look at various helpful articles and tools that are located in the Career Guide. Remember to always click the Logout button located right here on the right-hand side of your page every time you log out of Job Connect. It will then bring you back to the original login page. Finally today, on behalf of all of the Career Center staff, I would like to take these last few moments to thank you for participating in this instructional Job Connect video overview. Once you begin using Job Connect more and more, you will become very well versed with using all of the features and functions of Job Connect. Remember that you also have the ability to replay this video at your convenience, and you can also refer to the Job Connect instructional handout located within the document library section of Job Connect as well. If you have additional questions, please contact the Career Center at 413-748-3222. Thank you.